wrong with you? I love math.
Alright, so it tells us to use a calculator to evaluate the function given by f of x equals the natural log of x for each value of x. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm just to take x equals 2 and put it there. So we're going to evaluate the natural log of 2. Now I kind of want you to see and appreciate what the natural log of 2 is before you actually use the calculator. Let's use a box. The natural log is what? Log base e of 2 equals the box. We have log form. And try and go to exponential form. My base is e, comes out of the basement, gets really big. We're going to switch these two. E to the box equals 2. Let's put that into our calculators. The buttons we're going to be using today are next to the number 4. E is in blue, and then the natural log is in gray and white. Okay, so I'm going to go to y equals, and go ahead and type in e. So second natural log, and then I need a variable, so you're going to put in x. And then I'm actually going to go to the table of values, but before I do that, I'm going to go to table set, so second window. And it doesn't matter what number you're starting at. I do recommend changing the table at 1 for now, and then having it at auto and auto. If yours is on ask, you just go over auto and just press enter. So let's go to your table now. So I'm going to go to second graph. If you scroll up at -10 or -6, not -6, -7, remember the e to the -4 is scientific notation. It's saying that you move that decimal place 4 spots to the left, which basically means it's like a number less than 1 penny. Does that make sense? Now, what we're trying to do is we're trying to figure out a number e to the something power equals 2. Let's see if we can estimate. I noticed that my output I want to be 2, and it's probably going to be between 1 and 2.7183. So it's going to be between 0 and 1. The box is going to be between 0 and 1. Well, actually, how do we do that? So if you go back to your home screen, I'm going to press second mode. And guess what? There's already a natural log button on there. So we can actually just press natural log of 2. Let's do it. And we already said we expect that number be between 0 and 1. There's the number. Class, is that between 0 and 1? Let's go to 4 decimal places. 6, 9, 3. What number? 1. Now, you can actually check your answer. The box is equal to 0.6931. So if I put an e to the 0.6931, let's do that. So second, go down to natural log to get your e. And then we're going to type in 0.6931. What number do you expect it to say?
2.
Very number close to 2. You see that? So, the way I'm kind of showing you in this process, everyone say, calculator, ready, equation. Calculator ready equations kind of shows me you're kind of doing some work. The temptation for a student is just to jump to the calculator and do a bunch of calculator work. No, I kind of want to see your work so I can see you step by step and actually give you also partial credit. Okay? Let's try another problem. X equals 0.3. We're going to evaluate. Class, what do I write here? ln 0.3. What do we do next? Let's set it equal to something. Box. Partner A, tell partner B. What do you learn about this blue box? Michelle, what is the blue box here? Log base E of 0.3 equals the box. Daphne, what do we do next from here?
E to the box equals 0.3.
Yep. Let's punch that into your calculator now. Natural log of 0.3. Ooh. Is it possible to have a negative number? Yeah, that is okay. We're doing 4 decimal places, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you look at the 5th number. Is that a number between 5 and 9? So you bump that up to what? Yeah, it's going to turn into 2.0, negative 1.2040. Of course, double check your answer. Let's punch it in. Second, natural log, negative 1.2040. And we should get a number close to 0.3. Pretty close, pretty close. Partner A, describe A. Partner B, describe B. And then you guys are going to do C and D. Ready, set, go. All right, let's do D together. All right, Chen, what did you write there? And what did you write over here? Box. Nice. What's the next, Chen?
Change natural log to log base E.
Okay.
And then we switch the box for 1 plus right 2.
So switch these. Okay.
So then it'd be log base E box equals 1 plus right 2.
Remember now, when you're switching it, this comes off. Does that make sense?
Oh yeah, it's just E box.
There you go. Equals?
1 plus right 2.
Raise your hand if you got that so far. And Chen, what did you get as your answer?
Box equals 0.8814.
8814?
Yeah.
Let's test it. So you can literally type in 1 plus radical 2 to get outside of, or to get out of the inside. Just press right, and it closes it. And that's our answer. Good job. Question C. Isaac. Do it.
So I replace natural log of x with negative 1, so natural log of negative 1 equals the box.
Yep.
And after that I put log base e,
Yep.
And then E, the color of the box, equals, and then I got an error when I couldn't
Ooh, an error. Everyone draw a graph of exponential. What does that graph look like? Growth or decay? Looks something like this, yes? Okay. We're basically trying to find this. We're trying to find, let's use pink. We're trying to find y values that are -1. Class, does the graph ever intercept the pink line? No. It's kind of like saying, here at Savannah, we're going to construction. I want you guys to go to the 3rd floor. Class, does the 3rd floor exist? No. It's not there. So your answer is undefined. Undefined. There is no x value that we stop at and figure out where the y value crosses that pink line. And that's why your answer is going to be undefined. For examples of how to do natural log with the calculator.
I love math. You don't love math? What's wrong with you?